Hello everyone, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Today we're making buttermilk, and for 3/4 cup, that's 6 ounces of buttermilk, we're going to add 2 ounces of cream. That's heavy manufacturing cream or whipping cream, both are suitable, and then 4 more ounces of whole milk to top it up right at about 3/4 cup. And then to get that to turn into good buttermilk, all you have to do is take 1 ounce of lemon juice, and that, with a nice little stir, then you let it sit 5 minutes, will turn into buttermilk, and you can use it however you need it in all of your recipes. Do it yourself gourmet, everyone. We'll see you next time.